Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. So today's video is a tutorial on how to draw a chocolate box. So I have tried a new form of art form, that is Zentangle. So please make sure you watch this video fully, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So it's time for today's shout out. Congratulations to the winner. If your name is not here, don't you worry. Answer today's shout out question. Comment your answers in the comment section below, and the right answer will be chosen and be shout outed in my next video. So for this you need a white chart paper, pencil, scale, eraser, fine writers and brush pens. So for this, take a pencil and draw a heart-shaped chocolate box. Try to draw it 3D. Then draw the lid of the chocolate box. Now you need to draw a packaging sort of thing. You like ribbon and bows. Then draw the chocolates inside the box. Now with the help of a black fine writer or stick pen, outline the whole sketch you have done. Now take your eraser and erase the extra lines you have done on the paper. So today's fun section is coming up. Here, this is the image of Mercury. It is considered one of the world's most clearest pic ever taken of Mercury. Like, you won't find much more clearer pic than this. So enjoy. Now with the help of any of your favorite color brush pens or any kind of color you have, color the chocolate box. Now with the help of black color brush pen or fine writer, fill in the gaps or spaces between chocolates. Now with the help of purple color or light violet color, paint the ribbon and bow. Then with the help of dark violet color, paint the stripes. So yep, today's shout out question, the winner will be shout outed in the next video. So the question is, how does Rahul goes 8 days without sleep? Comment down your answers to get a shout out by me in the next video. Now with the help of black fine writer, draw these Zentangle designs. For now, I'll be shut. So enjoy the music. Back, let's continue the voiceover. So now with the help of a pencil, add the shadow or something under the box, and with the help of your fingers, smudge the graphite of the pencil to create a good shadow effect. Now this is an optional step. If you want to do, you can. I have done my signature under the drawing with date So like I can remember it like when I grow up, those memories, etc, etc. And I have done the signature so no one can steal it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Share this video with your family, friends and loved ones. Subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon too to get the latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any challenge suggestions or any other suggestions for my upcoming videos, or if you feel like I should do any improvements, please let me know that in the comment section below. I would be very happy to hear your opinions too. So yep, peace, signing out, bye bye, see you on with the next video. Wait for a moment please. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you watch this video too and subscribe to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a great day ahead.